BRIDG is a public-private partnership focused on the manufacturing development of advanced sensors and other microelectronic devices.
While BRIDG in of itself does not serve as an incubator, it serves as a resource for individuals as well as very small startup companies who may be in the incubation stage of their business or their ideas or their patents to have access to millions of dollars worth of equipment to test their ideas and prototype their ideas, which may not ever come to fruition or ever see the light of day were it not for a facility such as BRIDG.
BRIDG is a catalyst for economic development within Florida and Central Florida. In that regard, science, technology, engineering, math plays a key role not only for what BRIDG's workforce needs are, but what also will be the workforce needs in Neo City. BRIDG is taking a very active role in workforce development and encouraging STEM education both in the K through 12 as well as through community colleges or state colleges like Valencia College, as well as into the bachelor's and advanced degrees. We are active in both encouraging younger students especially to pursue STEM careers, and we're investing in things such as Neo City Academy in terms of our resources and time in the classroom to help grow the future workforce needs in this region.